Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales, and today we're going to show you our 73 Plymouth Duster real 340 car. Got a built 340 in it. Not a numbers matching motor, I don't believe, but it is a rebuilt one. This car's never sat in the rain or the snow, so according to the previous owner, super nice car. Look at that shine on that black. I mean, you can see the trees in there. Got a beautiful shine. Yellow's just as good. This is a rotisserie restoration. Aftermarket wheels, tires. You can see the front disc brakes. 4-speed. By the VIN, you can tell it's a real 340 car with the H. Like, see, look at that shine on that yellow. They did a really nice job on this restoration. Has a fold back seat option. Comes with some oil and filters, a couple extra other parts. Obviously, he had it set up to go have some fun with it a little bit with the fire extinguisher and the tack, so I think he might have raced it a little bit. Got aftermarket gauges, her shifter, and if you see my description on all the rebuild, you can see that he did a quality job. So, I mean, it's just very, very nicely done. I really can't find a lot of flaws on this car. I would call this a show quality car, but if you just want to go, if you don't like going to car shows, it's one that you're going to get a lot of attention and a lot of thumbs up when you're driving it and having some fun with it. So I'll also have a video of driving it, and we'll do one here of it running and one underneath. Just got it in, so like I said, there's all the description of everything that's been done to it. I've talked to this guy before I bought it from him, and definitely a high-end build on this car. So you got any questions, give me a call, 605-695-7391.